Hello guys. So today is our first class, that is our introduction class. So welcome to our SAP S4 HANA learning series. In this video, I will give you a quick overview of the topics that we will be covering in this complete beginner to advanced journey into SAP S4 HANA, especially focused on material management module. So let's keep it simple and exciting. So our first topic is Introduction to SAP S4 HANA. SAP S4 HANA is an intelligent ERP system used by businesses to manage everything from finance to logistics. Think of it like a digital brain that helps companies run smoothly. ये एक इंटेलिजेंट ERP सिस्टम है जो कि बिजनेसेस द्वारा यूज किया जाता है जिससे कि वो अपना फाइनेंस से लेके लॉजिस्टिक तक सारी चीजें मैनेज कर सकें। इसको हम इस तरीके से समझ सकते हैं जैसे कि मानिए ये कोई डिजिटल ब्रेन हो जो कि कंपनीज को स्मूथली रन करने के लिए हेल्प करता है। The second topic is different type of SAP projects. There are different type of SAP projects like implementation, support, upgrade and rollout projects. So SAP projects different type के होते हैं जैसे कि implementation project, support project, upgrade project और rollout project. इसको हम ऐसे समझ सकते हैं जैसे कि like building a house can be correlate with implementation project. Renovating or maintaining can be correlate with support and upgrade projects. Now our third topic is difference between SAP ECC and S4 HANA. So ECC is the older version of SAP while S4 HANA is the modern faster version using real-time data. So we can understand this like ECC is a landline phone and S4 HANA is our smartphone. Now the fourth topic is implementation methodology. This covers the steps followed to implement SAP in a company. So हम कंपनी में SAP को इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए क्या क्या स्टेप फॉलो करते हैं वो कहलाता है हमारा इम्प्लीमेंटेशन मेथोडोलॉजी, जिसमें स्टार्टिंग होती है प्लानिंग से लेके टू गोइंग लाइव। प्लानिंग से लेके गोइंग लाइव तक हम क्या क्या स्टेप फॉलो करेंगे वो हमारा कहलाता है इम्प्लीमेंटेशन मेथोडोलॉजी। इसको हम ऐसे समझ सकते हैं जैसे कि ये एक जीपीएस की तरह हो जो कि हमें गाइड करेगा SAP प्रोजेक्ट को कंप्लीट करने के लिए। So our fifth topic will be migration project. In migration, we move data and processes from old system like ECC to SAP S4 HANA. हम migration project में क्या करते हैं, अपने डेटा और प्रोसेसेस को ओल्ड सिस्टम से अब अपने न्यू सिस्टम में ट्रांसफर करते हैं। इसको हम ऐसे समझ सकते हैं जैसे कि थिंक ऑफ ट्रांसफरिंग कॉन्टेक्ट्स फ्रॉम योर ओल्ड फोन टू न्यू स्मार्टफोन, जैसे कि हम कॉन्टेक्ट्स को पुराने फोन से न्यू स्मार्टफोन में ट्रांसफर कर रहे हो। वैसे ही माइग्रेशन प्रोजेक्ट होता है जिसमें हम डाटा और प्रोसेसेस को अपने ECC सिस्टम से S4 HANA सिस्टम में ट्रांसफर करते हैं। अब ट्रांसफर करने के लिए दो टूल्स यूज करते हैं हम, डाटा ट्रांसफर LTMC एंड LTMOM। सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में हम उन दो टूल्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, LTMC एंड LTMOM। So these are the tools that are used to upload master data like materials, vendors with the help of Excel into SAP. So हम LTMC और LTMOM में क्या करते हैं, मास्टर डेटा लाइक मटेरियल मास्टर डेटा, वेंडर मास्टर डेटा, उसको एक्सेल की फॉर्मेट में जो रहता है उसको SAP में इंपोर्ट करते हैं। सो इसको हम ऐसे समझ सकते हैं जैसे कि हम एक एप्लीकेशन में एक्सेल स्प्रेडशीट को हम इंपोर्ट कर रहे हो। सो हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक जो रहने वाला है, our next topic will be enterprise structure, material management enterprise structure. So this defines how a company is structured in a SAP, कि SAP में जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वो किस तरीके से स्ट्रक्चर्ड है। इसको हम इस तरीके से समझ सकते हैं जैसे कि हम अपने हाउस को डिवाइड करते हैं रूम्स, किचन, बेडरूम, वैसे ही हम कंपनी को डिवाइड करते हैं, कंपनी के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर को, प्लांट, वेयरहाउस, स्टोरेज लोकेशंस एंड ऑल। Okay, so our next topic will be business partner. In SAP S4 HANA, vendors and customers are managed as business partner. SAP S4 HANA में वेंडर और कस्टमर दोनों को ही बिजनेस पार्टनर की तरह मैनेज किया गया है। इसको हम ऐसे समझ सकते हैं, think of them as a smart contact profiles where contact profiles are saved. So our next topic will be material master record. So in the material master record contains all the information about a product you buy, store or sell. कोई भी प्रोडक्ट जिसे हम बाय कर रहे हो, स्टोर कर रहे हो या सेल कर रहे हो, हर एक प्रोडक्ट की इंफॉर्मेशन जहां रहती है उसे कहते हैं मटेरियल मास्टर रिकॉर्ड। जैसे कि आपने देखा होगा एक प्रोडक्ट बोतल पे लेबल चिपका होता है जिसमें उस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में सारी इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, वैसे ही मटेरियल मास्टर रिकॉर्ड जो होता है वो मटेरियल की हर एक इंफॉर्मेशन रिकॉर्ड रखता है कि चाहे वो कोई भी मटेरियल हो, मटेरियल मास्टर रिकॉर्ड में उसकी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन होगी, लाइक वेट, प्राइस, एवरीथिंग. Now comes to our next topic, purchasing info record. In purchasing info record, this links a material and a vendor with past prices. Purchasing info record में क्या होता है, मटेरियल और वेंडर का कॉम्बिनेशन होता है कि ये मटेरियल इस वेंडर से हम ले सकते हैं. Like it can be correlated like remembering your favorite pizza place and how much they charge. Like we are maintaining a list that our favorite pizza can be bought from these places, and these places like McD and Pizza Hut, and maintaining those prices also, like our favorite pizza from McD will cost of 200 and from Pizza Hut from 300, like this. So we are maintaining the prices and prices of the material that occurred from various vendors. So in the source list, this list tells SAP which vendor to prefer for buying a specific material, like having a default store for buying groceries. So source list में क्या होता है, हम different vendors को list out करते हैं for a particular material के लिए. Like मैंने भी बताया जैसे कि we are maintaining a list of different pizza stores like McD, Pizza Hut, Domino's, like this. Now comes to our 12th topic, automatic purchase order. These features create purchase orders automatically. In the real time, we are need to create hundreds of purchase orders on the daily basis. So we don't need to create each and every order manually. We need to define each purchase order to be created automatically with the help of purchase requisitions. So it can be understood like setting your phone to reorder coffee pots when stock is low. For example, we are having a party in a restaurant and we are just reordering the coffee whenever our coffee pots seems to be at low volume. Now our next topic is split valuation. So this helps manage different prices for the same material based on the origin or batch. इसमें क्या होता है, सेम मटेरियल की डिफरेंट प्राइसेस वैल्यूएट होती हैं, चाहे वो वैल्यूएशन बेस्ड होता है ओरिजिन या बैचेस के बेसिस पे. लाइक वन मैंगो फ्रॉम इंडिया एंड वन फ्रॉम मेक्सिको. सो वन मैंगो दैट कम्स फ्रॉम इंडिया इज वैल्यूएटेड एट डिफरेंट प्राइस एंड द सेम मैंगो coming from Mexico that is evaluated at different price. So we are calculating different prices based on the different origin or batch. So here we are storing the values of the material. Now comes to our next topic, that is physical inventory. So in physical inventory, this is about counting what is actually in stock and matching it with system data. Like checking the number of milk packets in your fridge. Like we are checking in the fridge how many packets are available in the fridge. See, it's 10. Now we will be checking in our system, in SAP system, that what's the quantity available for the milk. Then cross matching those, like if it is 10 or not. So this is counting what actually in the physical stock and what is available in our system data. Now comes to pricing procedure. This defines how prices are calculated during purchasing, like adding taxes, discounts, and add shipping fees to an online order. So while calculating the net price of an material, we will be using gross price and adding taxes on it, giving discounts on it, adding shipping fees on it. So after using all these pricing elements, we calculate the net price. So pricing procedure tells us how the net price is being calculated. The next topic is batch management. So batch management tracks goods by batches, like tracking expiry dates of different batches of medicine. So in batch management, we are tracking the each and every material with the help of batches by giving them a batch number. Next topic is our material requirement planning. So in the material requirement planning, this helps plan how much material you need and when. So like planning groceries for the week based on meals. So we can understand this like which material is needed at which place at which time. So this planning of the requirement of the material is called as material requirement planning. This generally is used in production planning module. So this generally integrate our material management module with the production planning module, MM to PP integration. So next topic is procure to pay cycle. In procure to pay cycle, this covers the full journey from requesting a product to paying for it, like buying something on Amazon from search to delivery to payment. Like we are searching the searching the product on Amazon. Now we are ordering it. Then the order is delivered. Then we are giving the payment for this. So this complete journey from requesting a product to paying for it. So this complete journey is procure to pay cycle. Now comes to our next topic, inventory management. This inventory management monitors what is coming in and going out of your warehouse, like keeping track of what is in your kitchen cabinets, like what material is coming in your warehouse, what material is going out of your warehouse. So keeping track of this movements, it's the process of inventory management. Now the next topic is logistic invoice verification. So this verifies vendor bills before payment, like checking the bill from a restaurant before paying. So we are sitting in a restaurant and we are after having our lunch. So if we are having bill, then we are cross checking that if the bill is correct or not before the payment is being done. So this is the logistic invoice verifications. We are cross checking the payment. We are cross checking the invoice before making the payment. So now the next topic is our special stocks and special procurements. So these are special ways to manage unusual stock scenarios, like loaning a tool to a friend or renting an apartment. In this topic, we will be learning about consignment procurement or subcontracting procurement, pipeline procurement. So different various unusual and special procurements. So we will be learning in this topic. Next is release strategy. This sets up approval for purchases, like needing your manager's okay before buying an office equipment. So for example, if you are buying an office equipment, so we need our manager's approval if we can buy it or not. So this is similar in the similar way in SAP. So we are the approvals are required before purchases from the various management levels. So this comes in the release strategy topic. So each of these topics will be covered in detail in upcoming videos with practical examples, system walkthroughs and easy explanations. So if you are looking to learn SAP S/4HANA in the smart and simple way, hit that subscribe button and let's grow together. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.